Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use PandaDoc. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how PandaDoc works. So if you have no idea about PandaDoc and how to get started, then this video is for you. PandaDoc is an all-in-one document automation software that helps businesses streamline their document workflows, allowing them to create, send, track, and e-sign documents in one easy-to-use platform. Also, PandaDoc allows recipients to make payments from within documents, something not possible in most electronic signature softwares. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of using PandaDoc, from general overview to creating, sending, and signing your first document. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I'll go ahead and jump right into the PandaDoc tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. And if you already have an account, just skip this step and let's sign in. So here we are in my PandaDoc account. I created this new account for the purpose of explanation so you can follow the steps with ease. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in PandaDoc, and then I will show you how we can use PandaDoc. The first thing to start with is the Settings section. This is the most important section you need to start with. The Settings section allows you to manage your account. PandaDoc setting is further divided into three main categories: Profile settings, Workspace settings, and Organization settings. The profile settings allow users to customize their personal information. The workspace settings manage your branding, integrations, and team. Under the branding settings, you can add your company logo, button colors, etc., so make it look like it's coming from your brand. The organization settings manage your billing and workspaces. So before you start setting up your templates and sending documents, take a minute to review your profile information. Make sure your first name and last name are correct. Add your signature and review the notifications. Here you can add your profile picture. It will show up in the PandaDoc emails when you send a document to someone. Alright, now let's see the other sections. If you click on the Home button, you will see your activity and your workspace activity. You can also create a document here by clicking on Plus New at the top, then select Document. The Documents section shows all of the documents, including shared with me, documents in trash, created by me, upcoming renewals, and documents expiring soon. Here you can also create a folder for specific documents. The Templates section displays all the templates you've used, and there is also a templates gallery available in case you want to use pre-built templates in PandaDocs. If you click on the Forms tab, you can view all the forms you created to sign. Here, you can overview all of your forms, including those present in draft, active, and disabled. The PandaDoc Content Library is a place where you can store content that you use often in your documents and templates. It's like a storage space for pieces of text or images that you can quickly add to your documents without having to recreate them each time. The Catalog section is a place where you can keep all of the products and services you offer. This way, when you create quotes for your customers, you can easily select the items you want to include from one centralized location, reducing the chance of errors. It's like a digital inventory of everything you sell. In the Contact section, you will see all of your teammate contacts. You can import your contacts from Google, and you can also create a new contact. The Reporting section allows you to get deeper insights into your entire document process with PandaDoc's most robust reporting update yet. Here you will see workflow overviews, data analytics, and more. Next, the Inbox section. The Inbox section is where documents sent to you will appear. Lastly, the Add-on Store is a place where you can find and install extra features or tools to enhance your PandaDoc experience. These add-ons are like apps that can help you with specific tasks, such as collecting electronic signatures or integrating with other software. It's a way to customize PandaDoc to better fit your needs and make your document management more efficient. To sign and send documents with PandaDoc, first, navigate to the left navigation panel and click on Home. Then click on Plus New at the top right of the screen. Then select Document. This will open a new window where you can upload your document. PandaDoc supports PDF, Word, PowerPoint, JPG, and PNG formats. You can also upload documents from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Box. If you prefer to use a template, you can create a blank template or choose a pre-built template. Another convenient feature of PandaDoc is the ability to drag and drop documents. This allows you to quickly upload a document by simply dragging it from your computer and dropping it into the designated area in PandaDoc. Once you have uploaded your document, the next step is to add recipients. To add recipients, simply enter the email and first and last name of the recipient. Then click on Continue. You can add more recipients as you want. You can protect your document by requiring recipient verification from recipients. You can also skip this for now. In the next section, you can, for example, add a signature to your document. Once your document is open in PandaDoc Editor, you will see contents and fillable fields on the right side of the screen. Navigate to Signature and drag it to your document. If you need other fields, you can drag them to your document as well. If you need to change content on an uploaded PDF file, you can add a text block over the text that needs some edits. Then, hide the original content with a background color and type the needed text over it. So I'll be doing another video if you're interested, which will deep dive into the blocks themselves and how they function, because there's a lot involved in each specific one. A lot of settings and a lot of options. But generally speaking, these are your blocks, and you've also got fillable fields down the bottom here. Once you've created your document and added recipients, you can go ahead and send it. And because I'm the signer and the only signer in this case, I have the option to finish the document. So I need to click the signature box and put it in my signature. So this is what you should do if you want to sign a document. However, I'm going to delete the recipient, which is me, and add another recipient, so that I can show you how to send a document. And here we are. You have two options, send via email or share via link. To share via link, click on Share via link. Then give the document a name. A pop-up window will give you the access to generate the link. Then simply copy it and share it with the desired person, the recipient. This way you can send your documents easily and securely using PandaDoc. If someone has sent you a form to sign with PandaDoc, you will get an email with a link to sign the form. So, sign into your email account where you received the form link and click on the link. Alternatively, click the inbox icon on the left panel. Like I mentioned before, inbox is used to keep track of documents that require your signature or that were sent to you from another PandaDoc user. Click the document name if you would like to open and review the document. Once you are ready to sign the document, click the signature box and put in your signature. Then you can choose one of the pre-formatted styles. Additionally, you can upload image files or draw your signature. For this example, I will just choose one of the existing styles. Once you have done, then hit the Accept and Sign button. To confirm signing the document, click Finish at the top. The document then transfers to the completed status and becomes legally binding. You can also download your PDF copy. Now let's say you have a generic proposal that you send to the majority of your customers, and you only need to change a couple of specific things on the document, but the rest of the information remains the same. In this case, you can create a template and use it over and over again. A template is a master copy of your document. For example, I'll convert my document into a template. First, open the document. In the top right, click these 3 points icon here and select Convert to Template. This feature allows you to turn your existing documents into templates to be used multiple times. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using PandaDoc. There's more to learn about PandaDoc, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.